Hi guys, my name is Maria Milagros Amodio. I would like to say you something important is about coronavirus. The pandemic is growing exponentially in many countries. And the most important thing here is that you wear the face mask and wash your hands too. And then protect your family. If you go out, please don't forget to use or to wear, in this case, the face mask and glove too. So the most important thing here is that if you feel bad, you need to go to the hospital, and then you say it. I feel so bad. I feel so. I feel headache. I feel fever. So the most important thing is that you need to go to the hospital and say, okay, I feel so bad, and then if you don't know or if you don't feel anything, any symptoms, okay, so stay at your home and care your family. I protect to you and you protect to me, and we are safe.